Right, so we're making like a coffee cake, and it's going to go, of course, in the Nuwave. Now we've got it heating up so that it's nice and ready for the cake once it's all smushed together. What's in there?
Sugar, flour, butter, a little salt.
Sugar,
cinnamon.
flour, butter, a little salt. Over here we got
Cinnamon.
just straight up sugar. Over there you got flour. Are they going to be all mixed together?
No, this sprinkles on the top to cook.
Oh.
The layers.
Well, there you go. All right, we're going to use the KitchenAid. The way you do it is you got to put those things in there. And one goes in one side and the other goes in the other side. Just got to make sure you get the right sides. Almost ready to go. Eggs and more butter. All right, we're putting a full stick, which is like, I don't know. We got a full stick in there. And next we're going to use this. And the way it works is she pushes that up. And bam, it goes. All right, those are the beaters. That's the name. And check out the bowl. You can get these bowls also on Amazon. All right, what are we putting in next? I guess. Silken yogurt. Okay, and we got to put the eggs in there pretty soon, don't we? Okay, one more egg. Oh. And then she presses the button on top. And maybe not. Teaspoon of vanilla. It's looking pretty mixed up.
Mix in the flour and cream. So a third of the flour, half a sour cream, third of the flour, then the flour. Don't overmix.
Third of the flour.
How do I get a third of the flour?
Just take a third out. One. I think you have got a third of it.
Third of the flour, half of the sour cream.
I don't know if you got half in there.
It says don't overmix, whatever that means.
Oh, the oven is ready. And so you just keep on doing that? Oh, I see. Are you gonna mix it with the mixer?
No.
Just with that thing?
Yeah.
And then you do it again with the...
And the rest of the flour.
What about the sugar?
What sugar?
Oh, you already mixed the sugar there.
Scared me.
Let me just dump the rest of the flour in. think I got it. All right, here we go. We're mixing it up. And we're gonna put it in here, this thing here.
Yeah.
Gotta wash everything. Yeah. All right, we're getting the Nuwave oven ready to go. We're setting it at 350 for 25 minutes. And now we've got to put this in the pan and then put that on top, I think. We're using an avocado oil. Grease the pan. She's going to take a napkin and rub it around. And now that is ready. It's not really a pan, that's a
Glass dish.
it's a glass dish, I guess. That's what you would call it. It's like a casserole dish.
Right,
All right.
so half of this goes in.
Okay. Let's do that. So you're just going to kind of scoop it out.
I think that's kind of like half.
She's a perfectionist. That's a lot. That's a lot.
I think this is going to be better than Krusteaz, you know?
It's definitely going to be sugary.
Huh?
It's going to be delicious, I can tell already. Okay, now scoop the rest of this out. Yeah, I was going to say the trick is getting that spread out.
That's why you do it in dollops. Because it's really the only way to do it.
Almost time for the sugar.
I don't think it needed as much as it called for. Or I could have done 3 layers, which would have been hard, but I could have done it.
Yeah, put it all on. Let's just go with it. All right, now we got to put it in the oven.
Mm-hmm.
You may have to pull the. This is different. Look, do you want this this high?
I don't want it to burn at the bottom of the top, so I'll probably take that out.
Okay. So set it over here. So let's get one of these things. Where do you want to put it? You want to take this one out? All right. So this is hot. So get that out of there. Okay. Now we've got room to put it in. Yeah. Let's turn the light on so we can see it. All right, there it is.
Use the light. That's so funny.
How long is this going to take?
It says 35. I'm going to check at 32.
32 minutes. We're going to check it.
Actually,
And what are we calling this?
I'm going to check at 30. This is the cinnamon streusel cake.
We're making cinnamon streusel in a Nuwave oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes on bake. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. All right, you're going to notice it's telling us that it's baking. It's at 350, 27 minutes. There's the bake, and the way you get there is either by the menu or turning that knob. But you'll also notice 1, 2, 3. We got all rack levels going and the fan. So that's how that works, and it's just cooking up nicely. All right, we got another 21 minutes. All right, we're getting close. We put a little tin foil on top of it. And we've got about 5 seconds, and it should be done. I put it on 5 minutes.
Did it go off?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's take a look and see how we did. Now we got to see if it's done. We may have to put it in a little bit. Oh, Well, I think it needs a little more. Looks a little. So just so you guys know, she put this in so it wouldn't be too hot on the bottom, because sometimes in these casserole dishes they burn. But yeah, we're gonna definitely need some more time.
It says 35 to 45. I just
All right, we're gonna put her back in for another, what, 10 minutes?
I'm gonna check at 5.
All right, so you can put it in for
7.
5
It's
minutes.
pretty soft.
I think you need about 10.
Well, I might, but I don't want to overcook it.
All right, she's gonna be very judicious and only do it for 7 minutes? 6 minutes. All right, in 6 minutes, we'll come back and check it. So we had it in for 45 minutes, and now we're gonna look at it. All right, what do you think? Are you gonna stick your knife in it?
Yeah, the knife has to be clean.
All right, she did a pretty good job. Looks pretty delicious, I gotta say. What do you think?
That might be done.
I mean, it's going to continue to cook too.
Sure.
All right, looks pretty good. I think that's going to taste delicious.